Today is a quick video on one reason why your Cayenne might be blowing warm air, even though you're telling it to blow cool air. Believe it or not, one possible cause is low refrigerant. It can be malfunctioning servos, and there are ways of confirming that, but today's video is about sharing one cause, which is low freon.
You'll be sitting here, on a long drive, especially in a black Cayenne, trying to drive, and it'll be very hot. This will be blowing cold air, and this will be blowing warm air. Barely blowing it. As soon as you pump this up full of refrigerant, it'll blow ice cold air again, indicating you might have a leak, which I did. I confirmed it. One of the Schrader valves, the low pressure port, I recharged it after the shop worked on it, and that's the first and cheapest thing to try before you go start taking the dashboard and consoles apart and glove box to try to get to the servos, which I was personally dreading on doing. So yeah, quick video today, but just wanted to let you know that quick tip. Easy, quick, rather than taking servos out.
In another video, when it comes to it, i.e. when they break, we'll talk about the servos and how to get to them when they stop working. But with that said, and the information we sought out to share shared, I thank you for tuning in and encourage you to check out the Cayenne playlist on my channel for more videos.